Hello guys, I am here today to make a cake for a cat that is over there right now. Hold on, let me go get him. Don't eat that. Okay, you might recognize this cat. This is one of the cats from the beautiful series I Cat Cat. Do not eat the chocolate cake. Okay, perfect. So I'm making a cake for him because he is the reason as to why I got a comment. Because he was the sole person, cat, in the video, Cat Pet I, when he pet me. His name's Felix, by the way. I don't know if I already told you that. Yeah. Alright. So I'm making a cake for him. But all of the cakes that I found on the internet, aka the first two search results, they all required the oven. Bum, bum, bum. I don't know how to use it, and I don't really care to learn because it's an oven. So I'm gonna make my own. Hell yeah. Alright, in my recipe, I'll need to crush up all this cat food, or at least some of it. Probably only some of it. Hold on. Where do they keep it? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Would this work? How dare I show my face after what I did to the muggles? I'm gonna keep doing this for a while, so instead of making y'all sit through that, I'm gonna instead just, I have another ingredient, soft cat food. I still have to mush all this up. Is this even worth it? I don't fucking know. I've realized with the help of my mother that blender, exists. So now I have a powder. Okay, now what was I gonna do with this? Alright. I'm going to, do this. And, anyways. Hello, Sammy. Oh, perfect. Sammy is here. Hello, Sammy. Want to say hi? She wants food, but she also wants to say hi. Say hi, Sammy. I am so sorry for dropping you, Sammy. Yes, Sammy, I know. Yeah, I know, Sammy. Do you want some powder? You want some powder? You want some powder? Don't eat the powder. That's for the birthday cake. Not the birthday cake. It's not Felix's birthday, I don't think. Maybe it is. I don't fucking know. I'm allowed to swear. Okay, good. Okay. I think she's just here because I opened this. And she is dispersed, apparently, allegedly. Oh, there she is. But I forgot how sensitive my nose is. I think I'm gonna throw up. Okay. I hate the bubbles. Ooh, that's ewy. Cat, how do you like this? This is ewy. I'm gonna go take this to my mom so she can open it because apparently I hate it. I'm back and it's opened. Now I shall pour it. Wait, hold on. How do I survive with the smell every night? Which fork do I use? Why do we have two different types of forks? I'll use this one. I think maybe. It just dripped onto me. Ewy. Hello, Sammy. Yes, I know it's horrible. I know it's terrible. Hello, Sammy. I know it's beautiful. I know it's beautiful. Alright, time to go get Felix. Because he'll love this. I hate it. I have you now. So anyways, taking this cake to Felix because there is no way I am picking him up right now. Hello, Felix. Here you go. Here's your cake. Here's a cake, Felix. It's a beautiful cake. It's definitely a cake. Hold on. Felix, here you go. ASMR. Come on, Felix, eat it. We need views. Felix, if you don't eat it, we won't get the views. Or do you want to invite some people? Hold on. I was gonna make invite cards, but no. Alright, Felix. Alright, Felix, do you want to invite Kat? Yes? No. Felix? Come on. Come on, Felix. Felix. Okay. Do you want Kat in here? Probably not. Okay. Do you want to invite Sammy? Yes or no? You know what? That's not gonna work. I'm gonna just invite the people I think he would like. Not the people, the cats. You know what I mean. Hey, Kat. You wanna come to Felix's birthday? I mean, you were the first one to be in the iPet Cat series, so I feel like she deserves to be invited. I'll take her a bit after I find Sammy, though, because Sammy has gone missing. And she still hasn't been found. It's actually terrible. It's actually horrible. It's actually really fucking bad for Felix's party. I have found Sammy. It's great, guys. It's beautiful. Where did I put it? There did I put it? Alright, sorry Felix, I'll have to take your food for a bit. I need Sammy to come on over here. She's terrified because Marie is there. There's some intricate drama. Hey, Sammy! Come on, Sammy. I need to grab you to come to Felix's birthday. Not birthday, it's a celebration for getting a comment. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Sammy, please just come on over here. You want to go to your ex-husband's birthday, celebration. I could go get Kat because she was the pioneer of the series. She was the first one before it became cool. She was an I Spar cat. She just needs the spotlight again in her life, you know? She's kind of like, I can't think of anything. But she was the original one. She's not like other cats. She's different. Kat, you want to be invited to Felix's celebration party? I'm gonna force you. Kat, is there any method of transportation you enjoy? No? Tough shit. Kat does not want to be grabbed, so I'll have to get her with the food, I think. I didn't even think of that, actually. Fucking god, I'm stupid. Hey, Felix, I'm back. I gotta put your birthday cake right up there. I gotta go get you some guests, because Sammy has come out of hiding. And we need Kat simply because she's not like other cats, you know? Kat did not come to Felix's comment party, which I think, here's my conspiracy. I think it's because Felix was the one that got the comment, not Kat. Even though Kat started it. But anyway, Sammy's here. Say hi. Hold on, I just need to quickly do the celebration. I'm so sorry, Sammy. Oh shit! It's horrible. It's horrible. Hey, Sammy. Alright, we gotta sing the song. Because this is Felix's party of happiness. Hold on. Felix, be on camera. No, that's Sammy. Felix, thank you. That just shows Sammy. Alright. Okay, there's Felix. Okay. Happy comment to you. Happy comment to you. Happy comment, dear. Mewing cat. Happy comment to you. I think they both want to leave, but first they gotta eat. They gotta eat the cake. The cake. Hey, Sammy, eat that. They're both eating, I think, maybe? Felix ain't. Felix isn't eating. Felix, please eat. This is your party. Why am I so sweaty? Come on, Felix. Eat it. Just eat it. You're on camera. Sammy, did you eat yours? Oh, Sammy did. You're a good guest, Sammy. I don't think y'all can really see that, but Sammy's good. Sammy got pets. Okay, we can finally leave. The comment party is finished with. Now I need to clean this up. God damn it, me. I hate myself. Cat, eat the cake. Thank you. You're a good cat. You could do what Felix could never do. Eat the cake.